Welcome to YouTube Excel Magic Trick number 9. Hey, remember, if you want to download this workbook with all 10 tricks, go ahead and click on my channel and click on my college website. Boom! You can download the YouTube workbook. Hey, in this little trick, we have first names and last names, or whatever you want, in 2 separate columns, and we really want them in 1 column. Well, there's a simple way to join things together. Hey, I'm going to click in cell C4, and there's a formula. But first, we got to think. What do we have to join? We want to join whatever's in this cell. Then we want to join a space. Then we want to join whatever's in this cell. The way to do that is using the ampersand. It is Shift 7. Ampersand is a fancy word that means and. Oh yeah, I want this first name and a space and the last name. It's also called concatenating, whatever that means. Concatenating means to join. All right, you ready? This is going to be an example of a text formula. We don't have to have just formulas that do numbers. We can have text formulas. Equals. Click on Tina. And then we got to do the ampersand because we're going to take whatever's in that cell, 2 cells to my left, and then a space. You have to put quotes. Anytime you have text in Excel, it's got to be in quotes. Quote, space, quote. So far, we've just joined whatever's in this cell and a space, but we need another ampersand. And then click on that cell right there. No way. We're joining 3 things. I'm going to Control Enter, and then I'm going to point to my fill handle. And when I see my crosshair or angry rabbit, I'm going to double click and send it down. No way. It actually worked. Then I'm going to come up here between C and D and double click to expand the width. Watch this. I'm going to come right here and say rad tab dude. Enter. No way. So that is a formula. If I F2 in that cell right there that's looking at those things, we can update, change it. Wow. Not only that, but what if you wanted to very quickly get rid of this as a formula? You can highlight the whole range and then point to the edge. This cursor, this is the fill handle or angry rabbit. That's the selection cursor, but look at that. That's the move, M-O-V-E, move cursor. If you right click the, oops. I'm going to click over here, Control Shift down arrow. I'm going to see if I can do this again. I'm going to point to the edge and right click and drag over a couple of columns. When I right click and drag, there'll be a drop down, a context sensitive menu that says, hey, what do you want to do? And I'm going to say copy here as values only. Boom, they got converted. All right, see you next Excel magic trick next time.